Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. We're on the linear algebra chapter. And this problem isn't too difficult. It's just, what you have to notice here is that this first matrix, every time you raise it to a power, something special happens. Here I'll show you, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. If we multiply it by itself, in other words, we square it, what do we get? Well, we get 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1 times 0 is 0, so that's just 1. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1 times 1 is 1, so that's 2. And then 0 times 1 is 0 plus 1 times 0 is 0, and 0 times 1 is 0 plus 1 times 1 is 1. So the result is almost exactly the same, except instead of a 1 in the upper right-hand corner, we have a 2. And then if we multiply it by itself again, in other words, we cube it, what do we get? 1 times 1 is 1, 0, 2 times 0 is 0, so that's 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, so that's 3. 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1. In other words, we keep getting the same matrix, except that the upper right-hand corner keeps getting added, going up by 1. In other words, in general, this matrix to the nth power is equal to 1, n, 0, 1. And the same is true for the second matrix, except that instead of the n being in the upper right-hand corner, it's going to be in the lower left-hand corner. So in order to get, so what this equation actually is 1n, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, n, 1 equals 0, 6, negative 6, 0. So we see that in order for this equation to work, n has to be equal to 6. The answer is D.